An Ichimoku cloud strategy uses the Ichimoku Kinko indicator to identify trends, support resistance, and momentum for trading. A common strategy involves looking for bullish signals when the price is above the cloud Kumo, such as a bullish crossover of the Tenkan-sen conversion line and Kijun-sen baseline. The cloud itself acts as a dynamic support or resistance level, with price movements above it indicating an uptrend and movements below it showing a downtrend. Components of the Ichimoku indicator. Tenkan-sen conversion line, a short-term momentum line, calculated as the midpoint of the highest high and lowest low over the past 9 periods. Kijun-sen baseline, a medium-term trend line, calculated as the midpoint of the highest high and lowest low over the past 26 periods. Senkou span A, a leading span that forms the first cloud boundary, calculated as the average of the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, and plotted 26 periods ahead. Senkou span B, a leading span that forms the second cloud boundary, calculated as the midpoint of the highest high and lowest low over the past 52 periods, and also plotted 26 periods ahead. Kumo, cloud, the area between Senkou span A and Senkou span B. It acts as a forward-looking support and resistance zone. Chikou span, lagging span, the current closing price plotted 26 periods in the past, used to confirm trends. How to use the Ichimoku cloud strategy? Trend identification. Bullish trend, price is above the Kumo cloud. Bearish trend, price is below the Kumo cloud. Entry signals, bullish example. Confirm bullish bias, price is trading above the cloud, indicating a potential uptrend. Wait for a pullback. Wait for the price to pull back below the Kijun-sen to improve the risk-reward ratio for a long entry. Enter on crossover. Enter a long trade when the price moves back above the Tenkan-sen, especially if it also crosses above the Kijun-sen. Entry signals, bearish example. The strategy is the opposite of the bullish example, with price below the cloud, a pullback below the Kijun-sen, and a signal to short when the price crosses back below the Tenkan-sen. Exit signals. Exit a long position if the Tenkan-sen crosses back below the Kijun-sen, or when a price-based support level is broken. Exit a short position if the Tenkan-sen crosses back above the Kijun-sen, or when a price-based resistance level is broken. Confirmation. Use the Chikou span to confirm trades. For a long trade, the Chikou span should be above the price action from 26 periods ago, and for a short trade, it should be below it. A breakout above or below the cloud can signal a new, stronger trend. Thicker clouds indicate a stronger support or resistance level.